obviously we've recently gone into 15 pallet machinery to do lights out machining, mainly for contracts, but we've got lots of capacity on this machine.
Okay, so when you've gone into the automation side of things, then what's that doing for you and your customers?
Well, we've been able to cope with a very large order book, which is very demanding, which sees a lot of change, and it's meant we can run 24/7 with minimal staff. We're open all weekend, but with no staff in, the machine just keeps going.
Wow.
It's turned our business on its head. It's a great asset.
And what materials are you working with?
We can machine anything really, but we predominantly have aluminium, titanium. We have some large package of titanium on the machines, especially these lights out machines. Stainless steels, plastics, anything really what you can cut.